Welcome to the grand finale of 5th edition of IAM Future Chef Goa 2017, where a young chef will try their hands on to impress our judges and stand a chance to win the title. After conquering the semi-finals, top 10 have been selected to win the final battle at the IAM Future Chef Goa 2017. It doesn't get bigger than this. The participants are now few steps away from winning the lucrative prize money and being titled the champion of the 5th edition. The last 3 episodes saw the judges evaluate the top 200 selected participants across numerous schools from 800 testing sessions. From the last episode, the competition was joined by a well-known name around the culinary world, Chef Sean. He was accompanied by 5 best industry names. The entire event was overlooked by Dr. Subrano Bose, Chairman and CEO IndiSmart Group Worldwide, and Maitreya Chaudhary, Group Director IAM Institute of Hotel Management, who had flown all the way for the competition. Our esteemed dignitaries will continue for the grand finale along with industry leaders from the hospitality world. For the last couple of editions, IAM has given platform to all budding students to pursue the dream of making it big in the culinary world. IAM is not just a hospitality institute, but a different world within the campus. Here students get the best of the industry who become the future leaders. IAM. Settled against the picturesque backdrop of a sprawling 22-acre over a hillock, IAM made a special presence in the western part of the country. IAM has its campus at the fully operational IndiSmart Woodburn Resort. Standing within a picturesque surrounding, its landscape garden and swimming pool offers fully furnished 6 luxury villas and 28 super deluxe rooms with laundry service and 24-hour room service. Students studying in Goa have complete access to real-life hotel operations, which adds to their educational qualification. Before the young chefs decide a career out in cooking, they need someone to encourage their culinary skills, and they have the chance to get a steamy start to this cooking career right here. Life at IAM is different. That's what its students are out to do, make a difference. Let's first take a look at the journey of IAM Future Chef Goa so far.
I'm Nisha Cherian, teaching faculty at Kamakshi Higher Secondary School, Kurti Ponda. We've been coming to IAM Future Chef competition for the past 4-5 years. From the time this competition being held here. This year, about 7 students got on to the preliminary round that was held a week back. One of my students have got selected. Her name is Shreya Kerkar. She is now participating in the semi-final round. A very quiet child who participated in the preliminary round in our higher secondary in our premises itself, and then got on to the next round. Cooked something very simple, but I guess she's very talented and she does really tasty stuff. A very quiet girl, so I think this kind of an exposure for children motivates them, encourages them, enhances their personality. So we wish her the very best and hope she goes on to the next level. I thank IAM for this entire exercise they're doing and this beautiful effort they're putting, giving children this platform and this experience, which is very, very special. And each and every one of them, when they come here, they really have a wonderful time, irrespective of whether they win something or not. And they all look back to getting a chance to come again even. So I thank IAM and the organizers, the marketing faculty here especially. They've been wonderful, great hosts and everything. Thank you.
My name is Caetano Pereira, residing at Vasco. My daughter Casta Pereira is studying in Divya High Secondary. Time she has got this opportunity that when the contest held in school, she was selected for the preliminary rounds here as Master Chef in IAM. I was very delighted that she has got something to do. In fact, as a science student, she has want to be a doctor in future, but as a IAM, they have given this opportunity, and it would be a good asset for her to be future Master Chef.
Hi, my name is Rajan Pauskar, and my sister is participating in this competition. Her name is Ujwala Pauskar, and she is studying in the Basilio Andhra Memorial Higher Secondary School, and he's taken a stream of commerce, and he is interested in cooking mostly. So he is full confident to cookings. Actually, her father is a cook, so you know all the things of cookings. Mostly, somebody is not at home, then she only cooks for us, and we're having it. It was good for us, and good preparation and going good food.
ये IAM ने एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म दिया मेरा बेटी को पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए for chef course. I am feeling very good, happy also. She is other than study, every day she cooks for her or for us. She prepares some snacks, breakfast. Sometimes she prepares night curries also.
It's now time to meet the top 10 of the 5th edition of IAM. The actual journey of the top 10 future chefs starts from here. They dress to impress everyone in their chef coat, getting the look and the attitude for the culinary war. The top 10 are gearing up for the battle at IAM Future Chef Goa 2017 Grand Finale. They don't seem to be nervous but confident. From here on, Chef Sean will take over.
Okay, so one last thing that you all need to understand. On your benches, you have ingredients for your lemon tart and for your fish dish. Don't mix them up, you'll get confused completely. They're all laid out as per recipe. So if you follow the recipe and you follow whatever ingredients are in your basket, you should be able to nail it perfectly. Okay? And there's also at the side a little bit of potato, fish, and the masala. Okay? So shall we start cooking? So go back to your station, but don't do anything until I tell you. So then there were 10 IAM Future Chef Goa Finals 2017. We'll begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good luck, all the best. Huh?
The participants are now comfortable with the pantry and how exactly where to find the requisite ingredients. Without wasting much of time, they all set to conquer their dreams. The pace is up and the stakes are high this time.
Okay, so what's your starter? What have you decided to make?
First, I'm making fish cutlet,
Okay, fish cutlets. Okay,
gravy,
okay,
marinating fish,
Dessert's almost ready. Tartlets in the oven. Lemon curd made. Just needs a good whisk before you serve it. Okay, good. So, a plan in mind. Let's see how it comes together. Good luck. So, what have you decided to make for your starter? Sorry? Prawn bread pockets. Okay. And all going okay with the main course? So I'm just going to give the viewers a bit of a heads up. So basically, they have a choice of starter. They had a whole larder of things that they could use for the starter. There's a main course that's to a recipe, and a dessert that's to a recipe. So there's 2 recipe tests and the starter test, which is really about creativity and making something interesting themselves. So as we go around, I'm really only asking about the starter as of now. The main course, even though it's going to be a recipe, I know we're going to have 10 plates of completely different food, so that's always fine. Okay, good luck, all the best. So what did you decide to make for your starter? Sorry? Poha cutlet. So is it poha and coconut? Or paneer? Okay, and what you're going to flavour it with? Main course is okay? Dessert's ready? Ish, you think? You think you're okay? What time? Okay, good luck, all the best. Buddy, you can start tidying down if you want. Whatever you don't need to be on top, you can get rid of.
The cooking starts, and so does the judges enter the arena with pen and paper. The participants will be judged by reputed industry chefs, and the best will win the IAM Future Chef Goa 2017.
Shriya. So what do you decide to make for your starter? Sorry? Chicken? Fry? What are you making for your starter? This is for the main course. Paneer tikka. Main course is okay. Lemon curd's made. I can still see the remnants in the pan. You can start tidying down if she's finished. And if she doesn't need, we can get rid of it. What are you making for your starter?
Yeah, chicken basket.
Chicken?
Basket.
Basket? What's going to be the basket? You cut yourself today or was that some other time?
Today.
Today. You bled a lot or is it okay? You bled a lot? Is it okay? You'll survive then. What do you decide to do for your starter? Okay. And your lemon curd is made for your dessert? Okay, very good. What are you making for your starter? Okay, something to do with prawns, I take. And lemon curd's made. Lemon curd's made, I take it.
Yes.
Tartlet's made. Your tartlet.
That's a kept for baking. This is lemon curd.
Okay. Everything going according to plan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good luck. All the best.
Time runs and so does the rush begin. This is their last chance to impress the judges with their creation and win the IAM Future Chef Goa 2017. Final few minutes and it will all come down to the final evaluation at IAM Future Chef Goa 2017. For the judging process, Chef Sean will be joined by Chef Leon, Executive Sous Chef Radisson Blue Goa, Chef K.S. Mahesh, Senior Executive Chef Radisson Blue Goa, Chef Kenzaro Franco, Executive Chef Pathaya Goa, Chef Sahil Desai, Executive Chef Vivanta by Taj Panji, and Chef Sunil Sharma, Executive Chef Siddharthi Goa. Final preparations and they will lead their way for judging. And here they come. They all walk their way with their creation.
Okay, so a bit of a challenge, I think. So actually,
It was very tough, very challenging. This time it was really challenging task.
What part was more challenging?
This bakery part, lemon tart.
I think great effort. You're probably one of the front runners already, I think. So good luck, all the best. Shreya, thank you. Okay, so explain your starter to us a little bit. So what flavors did you add? So there's poha, there's potato inside, is it?
Potato, paneer and all the masala.
Little bit of coriander.
Mint, spring.
So all I'm getting is like raw onion taste. Okay, good luck, all the best. Lovely. Thank you.
Chicken fry with the green chutney.
Yeah. So looking at it, I think the case is quite nice and thin. Chicken has a really nice flavor. All the best. Good luck.
Paneer tikka as a starter. Yeah. In curd I have put all the spices, mixed and marinated the paneer with the curd and fried.
Okay, so I think because the paneer was cut very small, you put it in the pan, it's become very dry. Yeah. It's very under-seasoned also. Good luck. Deepak, let's see what you've made.
Chicken basket.
Your chicken in a basket was much better than your fish fingers in the first round, which was almost the same. But I think otherwise, good effort. Come.
Fish cutlet sandwich.
I think good flavor, good balance. I think I'm somehow missing out on that lemon flavor.
Good, thank you.
Thank you. Nice.
Stir fried bread.
So it's actually quite tangy. I'm sure. I think it's a little bit too tangy for me. So good luck.
Crunchy chicken,
Crunchy chicken.
marinated with ginger garlic paste, lemon and little bit of chili powder.
So this was your opportunity to show some creativity. But all you've done really is just deep fried some chicken and put some ketchup on a plate. So for me, I feel a bit sad about that. Very nice lemon curd. Good effort, all the best.
So the starter is a Goan dish which is called Sungta Dangar.
So I think really tasty. I think your execution, but I think if you worked on that dish, it could be really very good. Good job. In fact, if anything, probably the most modern presentation of food, I think, perhaps.
Okay, I made prawn balls with onion and coriander dip.
So it's amazing. So you're the last, and every plate of foods had bigger pieces of potato, smaller pieces of potato, some sliced. I think if you're making something like this, you really have to be careful how much flour or corn flour or something you add to something, because it's just become like a really heavy ball now. So good luck. Thank you. So after a great competition, we have our final 10 with us. I'm just going to announce a couple of names first. So I really must thank my fellow judges today. Franco Lanzano, Sunit Sharma, KS Mahesh, Jaikant Shroff, Sahil Desai, and Leon Dexter. And my name's written here as well, so thanking Sean Kenworthy also. I'd also like to introduce Dr. Suborno Bose, who is the chief mentor of IAM and heads the IndySmart Global Platform, which is a company that's been running hotel management institutes plus various other educational institutes for almost 30 years. So Dr. Bose, if you'd like to say a few words.
Yes, great honor to be here in Goa, in our beautiful Goa campus. I'd like to first of all congratulate all these young students who had made it to the final. At the end of the day, there will be one winner, but I think we all agree that they're all winners. That you have come out of so many students and made it to the top 10, itself makes you a winner in itself. So big congratulations to each one of you. Food is the biggest unifier in the world. And our ambition is to make food a bonding for all the youngsters of the country, of the world. So it has been a great last few days. The heats on the 7th and 8th, and the semi-final in the morning and the super final in the afternoon. And I think it's a great way to take the culinary heritage of Goa. They have produced some of the best chefs in the world. At least one or two of them are very good friends, like Cyrus Toriwala, and they are fantastic chefs all over the world. And I'm sure that you all become very, very successful chefs in the future. So on behalf of the team IAM, I'd like to once again congratulate you, your parents, your school for the support, and the team IAM who have organized this fantastic Future Chef 2017. And of course, I'd like to thank all the judges, some of us with us now, and some of us have left, but without their support and support of all the hotels, this competition would not have been possible. So now, I think we'll go for the announcement of the winner. It's an award time now, and the second runners-up for the Future Chef 2017-18 is Casta and it's sweet time, and the best dessert award for the Future Chef Goa 2017 goes to
It's always sad for me to say that there can only be one winner in a competition. I know there's going to be sad faces. We had sad faces for the last couple of weeks with all the rounds and heats. But I think you're all champions in your own right, and I think if there's a little bit of a spark in you that makes you think that you'd like to cook or make cooking a part of your career, like it has done with us few gentlemen here, then cooking is a great journey, I think, and it can take you around the world. So without any more to do, I am Future Chef 2017. This year, the winner is
So this brings to an end. All the best.
I'm very happy that IAM, the last so many years, they're having the IAM Future Chef of Goa. It's a very nice competition to choose a career. We have a lot of careers with us, and this one career can take you the world over. आज जो गोष्टी मला दिसता भुरग्यांनी शिकपाक जाय, and especially parents. We normally, when we were in the younger days, people used to say that we want to become doctors, we want to become engineers. But one new profession where everybody would love to be today is being a chef. And chef is something where we all have to look forward, because today the tourism, not only in Goa, the tourism in the world is going to a different level. When I say a different level, what I mean to say is that yes, this is a profession where we can all think of sending our children to. And I'm very fortunate that as Goa Tourism Development Corporation, we have been associated with this mega event for last almost 4 years. And the event is just growing. And today I saw the young faces who are from 11th and 12th, who have done wonderfully well. They have shown interest. Their parents were also here. And I think we can see a lot of chefs from Goa also coming days. Once again, I thank IAM, and I hope that such an event continues in a mega event. And with this sort of an event, we can see youngsters coming into this profession, which can be a career for them for their future.
First of all, I'd like to thank everyone.